Okay, so hey everyone, this side Krrish, come back with another new video. Now today in this video I'm going to show you how we can set up Shizuku in your any Android phone or Android tab here. So you can notice here I have already set up Shizuku on my device here. So if you want to set up, then how we can set up? Before starting this video, if you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe it and like this video. So you can notice here I having Redmi 12 5G and currently I installed here Origin OS 5 and based on Android version 14. So if your device running on different Android version, then also you can proceed this video. First of all, you have to enable developer option by typing build number 7 time on build number or 7 time on OS version or 7 time on software version. After that, you have to install one application. Its name is Shizuku. It's free of cost available on Play Store, so you can download from Play Store. So search here Shizuku, and after that install this application in your Android phone or Android tab here. So I recommend here you can install from Play Store and also you can install from GitHub. After that, open this application, and first time it will ask for some permission, then you can allow all permission. After that, you have to tap on pairing. After that, you have to allow all permission step by step. First it will ask for notification permission, it will ask for some storage permission maybe. After that, tap on developer option. Then you will redirect to developer options. So first of all, enable this toggle developer option. After that, you have to enable here USB debugging toggle here. After that, you have to enable here wireless debugging here. First of all, make sure your device connect with your any Wi-Fi here, and if you don't have any Wi-Fi, then you can enable hotspot of any other phone, and after that you can connect your Wi-Fi. Then you have to tap on wireless debugging, then enable this toggle and tap on pair with pairing code. Maybe it asks for some permission here, then tick the box and allow this permission, and after that tap on pair with pairing code here. And after that, you have to pull down your notification center and simply tap on it. Then you have to put here pairing code here. Pairing code you can notice here in bold character. So you have to put all these number in your notification here. So put your pairing code here. After entering of pairing code, then tap hit enter. Then you can notice here pair successful. It means our Shizuku is connected with our device here. So after that, open Shizuku again, go back here and tap on start. Then it will show this type of text here, waiting for service, and wait for 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, like this type of all these things. And after that, you can notice here Shizuku is running. In your case, your device show some error or a red color. So if your device running on HyperOS or MIUI, then you have to enable here secure debugging, USB secure debugging from developer option. And for Realme UI, Oxygen OS or Color OS, then you have to enable here the toggle of disable monitoring. If you are having either of one feature, then enable this toggle from developer option. And if you want to allow permission to a specific application, then tap on authorize application and allow permission. That's all about today's video. Thanks for watching this video.